So here we are, imagine summer has come. This is the Itch to Stitch Sorata dress, and it's really easy to wear, comfy dress. It's elasticated at the waist, but unlike many elasticated waist dresses, it isn't shapeless. The clever design and the way the bodice fits into the elasticated waist means it creates a lot of shaping, and the bodice feels nice and fit for my bust because the pattern has lots of different cup sizes too. So I have enough space up before the elastic to fit my boobs in. Magical. So there are a couple of options. Keep tripping over my balloon arch. Couple of options. I've made the pocket one with the full ruffle on the bottom, and I've done the double ruffle sleeves just to add a bit of interest there. Or you can do the flutter sleeve, which gives you a bit more arm coverage. Now, I think life is too short to cover up your arms, particularly when the weather is hot. Recommend you try getting your arms out. It just feels good. It's comfy to wear. It the only place there's any sort of restriction on it is around the elastic, and you can set the elastic to your preference. So I'm just gonna tilt this down so you can see the ruffle on the hem. So there's options to do it the length, just a long length without the ruffle, which is a midi length, or you can do a shorter length, which is taking it to where this hem ruffle starts. So you can do it with pockets, without pockets. There are lots of options here for you to work to your preference and what you would really like from your perfect summer dress. So I think this is a dress that could be dressed up. You could wear it for a wedding if you made it in the right fabric, or you could wear it really casual, by the seaside or whatever. It's even, depends on where you work, but work appropriate. The V-neck is a nice shape. I just think it's a good summer dress with lots of options. So I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon.